There we go. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out today, the number 2 seller is called ShortBeast AI. And all you'll care about is it creates scroll-stopping viral shorts, 10 different types. But you can see this. This is what I'm talking about. Do you think people are going to look at it? Do you think they're going to look at that mouse in the middle and see what the message is? Absolutely. And you think they'd like that even more than listening to the talking head kind of stuff. Let's take a quick look inside. First off, I like to start with a finish. So this is a $17 piece of software. There's a $2 off discount coupon code. You can link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Scroll to the bottom of the blog post, grab the $2 off coupon. There is also, let's see, just while you look at the bouncing things, bit of a description, the kind of things that the videos for product reviews, baby and pet shorts, avatar promos, memes, motivational reels, catalog demos, viral trends, and more, without writing, editing, or showing your face, that you can post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook to grow followers, go viral, and turn that into income. So $17 for the front offer with a $2 off discount coupon code at the bottom. I'm going to scroll down and go. There's an unlimited one for $57. With a light version of that for $27. There's a studio version for $47, and you get the idea. There's a couple upgrades like that. And then at the bottom of it all, there's your discount coupon code. You click that link or you click the product box at the very top. Let's go back to this one because I'm having a little trouble moving around, but this will give you a very good idea of what we're talking about. Cute little videos. I don't even have to go into the words. You see that and you go, yeah, whatever they're saying on there, you're listening to, you're watching, you're giggling, you're keeping track, and you're sharing it. Look at this kid with the military outfit on. Wahaha. Anyhow, easy as that. Click the link in the video description. It's called ShortBeast AI. Fresh out today. It'll have a lot of information at the site, and then you click the product box and grab a copy for $17 minus a $2 off coupon. For $15, you're making this kind of stuff. Easy as that. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is ShortBeast AI. Enjoy.